Ready to design jaw-dropping GTA-inspired posters like a pro in just minutes? No skills needed. Click subscribe and let's create epic poster together. Friends, we go to the ChatGPT.com website and log in using our email. Now, we want to create a poster in the style of the GTA video game using the prompt we have and see how many minutes it takes to do this. Now, we write this prompt here and click on this option. Now I want to talk to you about this prompt. The first thing we do is talk about the type of image we want. What does that mean? It means it should be realistic. The second thing we talk about is the artistic style of that image. For example, here I said it should be cinematic, then I said it should be inspired by GTA game. Now we talk about the same image, what the background environment should be. For example, I said it should be in modern Vice City and at sunset. And about other details, we have main details, where I said it should have a man and a woman, and secondary details like having a sports car and palm trees. So palm trees and a sports car become our secondary details, and these two characters are the main characters that should be in the image. For example, should wear specific clothes, and here I also give it the prompt about the color and the type of lighting. And after that, I told it the size of the image. I said give me 1920 by 1080. So, the first thing we do for prompt writing is that the more precise our prompt is, the more detail it has, the better and nicer poster it gives us, and then it doesn't need any editing. So, we start by first deciding what type our image should be. Then we say what its artistic style should be, meaning this image should be inspired by the GTA game or other cinematic movies. Then I talked about the setting of the poster, what the background should be. The background should be a city, it should be at sunset, and so on. I talked about the characters and details and the secondary things. For example, I talk about sports car. For example, I talk about palm trees. Then we talk about the main characters, what they are wearing, how they should be, which direction they should be looking. Then we talk about the color and lighting, and then we talk about the size of the image. These should be details that you include in your prompt to give you an image with better and more precise details. Alright, you can stop the video right here and write this prompt precisely, note down exactly the thing I explained so you have it to do use for your own image and other projects. So stop right here and write this prompt and keep it. It just takes a little time for the prompt you give it to process the image and give it to you. It just takes a little time and you have to wait. As you can see, it has given me an image. As you are seeing, the background is what? It's actually Vice City. Here are all the palm trees and sports car I mentioned, and the two characters I told you about are here for us. And we click the save option from here and download our image. In fact, by clicking this button, ChatGPT opens a new page for us. So we can attach the file and image we want and give it the prompt we want, and it will create a new image for us using that prompt and that image. The first thing we do is click on the plus option, click on add photo and files, and this time we give it this image. I gave it this image. As you can see, I gave it this prompt, meaning I wrote this prompt for it and attach this image. I select this option so it can generate a good result for me based on that image or not. I said, for example, this image should be realistic, designed cinematically, and its size and dimensions should be 9020 by 1080. It should be inspired by GTA game, set in Vice City and have a neon vibe. It should be in the golden hour or have a pastel sunset sky applied in our image. It should have two characters, a woman and a man leaning against the car. And I also said to include the text Grand Theft Auto on the image for us. See, in this image, there is nothing about the Grand Theft Auto text. There is no text written in this image. Okay, and here I said that this text must be written. This text should be written and lighting should be dramatic with shadows and highlights applied very softly. And the poster should be somewhat realistic and full of details. Now, see, using the prompt we gave and the image we provided, saying it should be like the GTA game. What kind of poster will it deliver to us? I recommend again here to stop and definitely write this prompt. Make sure to write the prompt and keep it so you can use it in your images and projects. And see, it gave us a poster like the GTA game where you see two characters, for example, leaning against the car like in GTA game. Palm trees are also present in the image and it has the Vice City background. You can make the most of this image, download it and keep it. Thank you so much for staying with me until end of this video. Thank you and goodbye.